There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2019 Chevy Camaro RS in Shadow Gray. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, LED tail lamps, dual tip exhaust, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, remote start system, split folding rear seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6125A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.